Hello, welcome back to Sudo Script YouTube channel, and in this video we are gonna learn how we can make a bootable USB of a ISO file in terminal of Linux. So in our previous video we learned how we can download and verify ISO file, and we take example of Linux Mint Cinnamon 22.3. Open your file manager and go to download folder. If you have downloaded Linux Mint or any ISO file, or wherever you have stored your ISO file, right click on the empty space and choose open in terminal. Okay, now type ls. As you can see, our ISO file is here. So now I will insert a USB. Now type lsblk, hit enter, and you will see your USB device. But make sure you already formatted your USB device. I already uploaded a tutorial on this topic, so you can check it out. Okay, now you have to type sudo dd bs is equal to 4 capital M space if is equal to. Now copy this ISO file name, paste it here, space off is equal to /dev and /sd, and choose your device name wisely. In my case, my USB is SDB, but in your case it can be SDA or SDC. Now you have to type oflag is equal to sync and status is equal to progress. Hit enter and enter your password here. Hit enter again, and it will start copying ISO file into your USB device. So you have to wait for a couple minutes. As you can see, our ISO file is completely copied to our USB. Let's check it in our file manager. As you can see, our USB name is changed, and there are a lot of folders and files here. Your USB device is ready, so you can boot it in any laptop or computer. Thank you so much for watching this video.